Before the war, Hiroshima was a bustling city, a center of culture and commerce. But on August 6, 1945, everything changed. The atomic bomb left Hiroshima in ruins. Thousands were killed instantly. Many more suffered from radiation sickness. Historian. The road to recovery was long and arduous, yet the people of Hiroshima persevered. They rebuilt their city, brick by brick. They honored the memory of those lost, and they dedicated themselves to peace. Today, Hiroshima stands as a symbol of hope, a reminder of the resilience of the human spirit, and a call for a world free from nuclear weapons. Hiroshima's landscape is marked by its history. Monuments stand as solemn reminders of the past. The Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park is a sprawling oasis of tranquility. It was once the heart of the city. Now it's a place for reflection and remembrance. Local guide, media, atomic bomb dome, Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park. At the park's center stands the atomic bomb dome. This skeletal structure was once the Hiroshima Prefectural Industrial Promotion Hall. It serves as a stark reminder of the bomb's destructive power. Beyond the park, we journey to Miyajima Island. A short ferry ride transports us to a place of serenity. Here we find the iconic Itsukushima Shrine. Itsukushima Shrine is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its vibrant red structures seem to float on the water. This sacred site embodies the spirit of Japan. It offers a sense of peace and tranquility. Hiroshima's resilience extends to its cuisine. The city is renowned for its Hiroshima-style Okonomiyaki. This savory pancake is a local delicacy. Layers of batter, noodles, and cabbage are cooked to perfection, topped with a fried egg and savory sauce, a true taste of Hiroshima. Food enthusiast. Hiroshima also boasts a thriving oyster industry. The fresh oysters are a culinary highlight, savored raw, grilled, or fried, a true taste of the sea. These culinary delights are more than just food. They are a celebration of life, a testament to the city's ability to overcome adversity. Section 4. Preserving History, Inspiring Hope, Museums of Hiroshima. Hiroshima's museums play a vital role. They preserve the memory of the bombing. They educate future generations about the horrors of war. The Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum is a must-visit.
It houses artifacts from the bombing, personal stories of survivors, a powerful reminder of the human cost of war. The museum's message is clear: never again.
The Hiroshima Museum of Art offers a different perspective. It showcases a diverse collection of art, from Japanese woodblock prints to European paintings, a testament to the city's cultural richness, a reminder of the beauty that war can destroy. Section 5. Spiritual Sojourn, the Sacred Island of Miyajima. Miyajima Island is a place of pilgrimage. Visitors from around the world come to experience its spiritual significance. At the heart of the island lies Itsukushima Shrine.
The shrine's iconic floating torii gate is a sight to behold, especially striking at high tide. The gate appears to float on the water, a symbol of the connection between the human and the divine. Shinto rituals are performed daily at Itsukushima Shrine. These ancient ceremonies offer a glimpse into Japanese spirituality. They emphasize purity, harmony, and respect for nature.
Miyajima Island offers a respite from the city, a place to connect with nature, to find inner peace. Section 6. Hiroshima Today, a beacon of peace and progress. Hiroshima today is a thriving metropolis, a center for innovation and technology. But the city has not forgotten its past. It embraces its role as a city of peace. Hiroshima is home to numerous peace organizations and initiatives. The city hosts the annual Hiroshima Peace Memorial Ceremony,
a solemn event commemorating the victims of the bombing, a call for a world without nuclear weapons.
Hiroshima's story is a testament to the power of hope, the resilience of the human spirit, the importance of peace. It's a city that remembers its past and looks to the future with optimism, a beacon of peace for the world.